Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you are facing this issue on the HP laptop or system, we could not find any drivers to get the storage driver, click on load driver. So this video is for you. I will show you step by step how you can troubleshoot this issue. So this issue occurs when you try to install Windows 11 or 10 on the Intel Core 10th and above generation. So in order to fix this issue, we need to install the Rapid Technology driver from the Intel website. So how to install that? You need to remove your external pen drive as of now, and we need to put the setup into the bootable pen drive. So you need to have the working computer in this case guys. Once you have the working computer, you need to go to Google and we need to simply install the Rapid Intel Technology driver and we need to paste into the bootable pen drive. On the search you need to type for Intel Rapid Technology storage. Go to first link, and if you are using a 10th and 11th generation platform, you need to install it accordingly. Similarly, if you are using the above generation driver, this one 11th and 13th, you need to install it. Simply you need to install it. Click on download manually. Now it's done. Now it will go into the download. I have already downloaded this, so you need to extract this now. Okay, so in order to extract that, you need to open the PowerShell here, this PowerShell as admin, and we need to put this into the different directory here. Let me put into this directory. Let me call it Intel, and we need to just copy this location and we need to type a CD. Then you need to Control V and hit enter key. Now we are into this directory, so we need to type for the command dot backslash and we need to paste this downloaded setup.exe into this folder like so, and now we need to call it setup rs.exe space. Now we need to give hyphen here. We need to convert it, extract it. So type for extract drivers space the location where you want to extract this. Okay, so I need to extract into different folder here. That name is also RST. So I will give this location now where it is going to extract. Okay, and let me press enter key here. Now once you type the command correctly here, you should be able to see this Intel Rapid Technology here, and now we got the driver here. So this is a location driver and we need to go to here VMD, and inside here we need VMD. Okay, and this is the source main driver here, AI store af.sys. So you need to navigate the same location while you set up your Windows. So I need to cut this folder and paste into the bootable pen drive, this one. Let me paste into here. Yes, see, we have successfully pasted here this. We don't need this exe, we need to delete it. We need only rst file here, folder. Okay, now we need to eject it safely from your computer and plug into the computer where you are going to install the Windows. Now once you are on this screen, again you will face the issue. You need to click on load drivers and then click on browse, and you need to go to the USB location, guys. So let's say if it is the USB bootable, you need to go here, then you should able to see the Intel folder here. You just need to double click on it and go to the VMD folder, select that and click on next, and driver will be loaded here. And thereafter, and then select your main drive and select next option, and you should able to install the window on your HP laptop or system. So I hope guys this video is really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.